BC-15 and Strike Team 2495, stand by for diversion. BC-15 and Strike Team 2495, you're being diverted for an initial attack northwest of your original rendezvous location at Highway 295 and Mountain Ravine Road. Multiple reports of a fast-moving wildfire with known victims and structures involved. You're being switched to TAC 11 for ground resources and are being assigned Strike Teams 2725 and 3240 with ETAs of 1 to 2 hours. One volunteer unit on scene reporting spotting well ahead of the fire front. Aerial resources will be dispatched when available. Again, BC-15, Strike Team 2495 being diverted to Highway 295 and Mountain Ravine Road. Multiple reports of fast-moving wildfire with known victims and structures involved. Move TAC 11 for ground resources. You'll be with 2725, 3240 with long-term ETAs. Aerial resources, again, will be dispatched when available.